So if you saw the service video to this York 861, it belongs to the farming and trucking company in Leicestershire, and it's come with its box. And we'll take the microphone out, factory original mic, which we'll use right at the end when we go through to base station. So this was just a service, and it came in doing 3 watts and it's now doing 4. Receive was a very good 0.43. Now get me clipboard, I can't read upside down. 0.24 microvolts, it's now 0.23, but there you go. Right, not heard anybody on it yet, that means nothing. Go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, we're now plugged in.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger. So Cybernet 134 chassis, very good performance, nothing to argue about.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio, I've got a tone control.
Roger, so heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the
Muffled,
place.
not
And
muffled.
doggy daycare, which is not tedious.
Roger on that.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Roger. Service station, and it's closed.
Well, that's not surprising. It's 7 o'clock on a Sunday.
Yep, roger that. Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Have you got your loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford? Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the York JCB861 Cybernet 134 radio from 1981. And your 441 output. I'm on a 3 plates of mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this York JCB861 from 1981, doing a 441 output and I'm drawing 1.1 amps. We're going to go over to low power set, 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on 400 milliwatts, going 5.7 milliamps. Current, go back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Low power, it did stay above the squelch, but it's quite hard to read.
Well, it's a bit noisy tonight, as far as I can hear. That's fine, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rollsby level crossing.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger that, we're absolutely, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, I work absolute treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. Okay, it worked absolutely great. We'll go over to our base station, we'll see what it sounds like on our standard replacement mic and also the factory original one, which is the same kind of shape. Just before I go off camera, a friend of mine's got a Mustang 1000 which he's got working, and you know, it's kind of one he's bought very second hand as a non-worker, and he's got a bracket missing. So if any of you have got a scrap Fidelity 1000, no, that's not going to work, is it? On a Fidelity 1000, sorry, did I say Fidelity 1000? Mustang 1000, let's get this quite clear. Mustang 1000. It has one switch on the front. It's probably high-low power. No, it won't be. It'll be channel 9 or something like that. So on the Mustang 1000, it has a little panel sticks out with one switch on it, and it's a screwable bracket, just like, well, this is part of the frame on this set. If any of you have got a scrap Mustang 1000 chassis, we would be pleased to buy that off you to recover that bracket, or even just the bracket. So there you go, that's for our friend Graham. Now go to our base station, we'll see what it sounds like on those two microphones.
Tango 21, testing the standard replacement microphone with the York 861 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5, platform 3 to 1, pop it on low power as a hum test. So if there's a hum on this power level, it will diminish on low power. Here we go. There we are on low power, testing 1 2 3, there we are on full power. Right, we'll go over to the factory original mic. Tango 21, testing the factory original York microphone, testing 1